So this rear windshield wiper is always, it is always not very good. These are always kind of bad. If you look at the blade here, there's no blade even. It's just all been deteriorated. I'm guessing this is probably the original wiper, and this is a 2005. So it's super simple to take this out. All I have to do is twist it, and the whole wiper comes out. This is definitely one of the simplest designs I've ever seen. Now you can see there's no blade. If you compare it to this, you have like a 1/8 inch or more of blade when there is nothing on this one. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the new one on, and to do that, this slides on just like this. That slides in just like that, and we're done basically. We can go ahead and put this on the car and try to wipe it. So it's really nice to have a wiper in the back that actually will wipe. Before we definitely did not, and it's really nice to have one that does. So I got this on Rock Auto for about $4. That's definitely the place if you're gonna be getting windshield wipers, brakes, rotors, things like that. They really have some good prices. This is something you'd get at the auto parts store. So that's definitely a good option if you wanna get them cheap.